Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC U0122 indicates a communication failure between the Body Control Module (BCM) and the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) Modulator Control Unit. This error can affect the operation of crucial safety and stability features in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. When the BCM fails to receive specified data from the VSA modulator, it determines there is an abnormality, thus prompting the storage of this Diagnostic Trouble Code. The VSA modulator is responsible for managing stability and braking functions, while the BCM is integral to controlling various electrical systems in the vehicle. The troubleshooting process requires a systematic approach to ensure that the underlying issue is accurately identified and resolved, restoring proper communication and vehicle functionality. DTC U0122 refers to a loss of communication between the Body Control Module (BCM) and the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) Modulator Control Unit. The BCM is a critical component that manages various electrical functions in the vehicle, such as lighting and stability systems. It is typically located within the passenger compartment or engine bay. The VSA Modulator Control Unit plays a vital role in monitoring and enforcing vehicle stability during driving, especially in adverse conditions. The absence of communication can impair the vehicle's anti-lock braking system, ABS, and degrade overall safety performance. Before proceeding with troubleshooting, it's essential to check the power and ground circuits for the VSA modulator to ensure adequate functioning. There are several possible causes for DTC U0122. First, a failure in the power or ground circuit of the VSA modulator control unit can prevent normal operation, leading to data communication loss. A faulty VSA modulator unit itself may also not start normally, causing the BCM to log the DTC. Additionally, a malfunction within the BCM could disrupt communication pathways. The controller area network, CAN, bus plays a crucial role in transmitting data between components. Any issue here could result in communication failures. Lastly, physical wiring issues, such as damaged connectors or broken wires, can severely limit data transmission and should be inspected carefully during the troubleshooting process. The symptoms associated with DTC U0122 can range from minor to significant, impacting the overall driving experience. Warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, signaling to the driver that there is an issue requiring attention. Drivers may notice indications of malfunction in the ABS, an essential feature for maintaining control during braking. Stability features that rely on the VSA system may be compromised, leading to decreased vehicle handling during challenging driving conditions. Moreover, drivers might experience braking issues, which can pose serious safety concerns if not addressed. Unresponsive electrical systems, particularly those managed by the BCM, may also present symptoms that can complicate vehicle operation. The first troubleshooting step for DTC U0122 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode and allowing it to sit for at least 6 seconds. This initial action is crucial as it enables the BCM to attempt to establish communication with the VSA modulator control unit. While waiting, it's advisable to observe the dashboard for any warning lights that may indicate ongoing issues. Confirming the presence or absence of warning lights can provide significant insight into the functioning of different vehicle systems. If the warning lights remain illuminated, further diagnostics are warranted to uncover the underlying causes of the communication failure. This simple verification can help narrow down potential areas for deeper investigation. The second troubleshooting step is to check the power and ground circuit of the VSA modulator control unit. This involves ensuring that the unit is receiving the necessary voltage and grounding to function correctly. Inspecting the connections to the VSA modulator is essential, as any loose or corroded connectors can lead to data communication losses. Additionally, visual checks for any signs of damage or wear to wiring can reveal points where electrical continuity may be disrupted. Through this detailed inspection, technicians can often identify issues that would otherwise prevent the proper operation of the vehicle's stability systems. Don't overlook the importance of ensuring all components are physically secure and in good condition. After completing necessary repairs, it's crucial to conduct a final verification for DTC U0122. This involves using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any stored DTCs. Once cleared, the technician should recheck for the presence of any DTCs to ensure that the initial issue has been fully resolved. Further, testing the vehicle's stability functions is essential to confirm that the VSA and ABS systems are now operating correctly. This step is pivotal for ensuring that all safety features related to stability and braking are fully operational. If the DTC reappears after this process, further investigation into potential underlying issues may be required, emphasizing the importance of thorough diagnostics. To prevent the recurrence of issues related to DTC U0122, regular system checks should be part of the vehicle's maintenance routine. This involves periodically inspecting the VSA modulator and BCM to ensure that they are functioning optimally. Electrical connections should be examined for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage, which can lead to communication problems. Additionally, keeping the vehicle's software updated is vital, as updates may include fixes for known issues that affect communication between systems. By adhering to these preventive maintenance practices, owners can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering communication failures and ensure a safe driving experience. In conclusion, addressing DTC U0122 requires a comprehensive understanding of both the body control module and the vehicle stability assist systems. These components play critical roles in maintaining vehicle safety and stability. The initial focus should be on checking the power and ground circuits, as issues here often lead to communication breakdowns. Observing vehicle stability functions after any repairs is essential for ensuring that all safety features are back to full functionality. Regular maintenance practices can also assist in preventing future occurrences of this DTC. By following these guidelines, technicians and vehicle owners alike can promote a stable and responsive driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.